Welcome back to Cooking with Jasmine. Today we're making French toast.
I've put a pan over there that we're going to use later to fry the French toast. Combine 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 of a teaspoon of nutmeg, finally 2 tablespoons of sugar. 4 eggs into your sugar, cinnamon, and nutmeg mix. 1/4 cup of milk. Biscuit should look like that. Then add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Not too much because it's really strong. Add that mixture into a pie pan. Melt 4 tablespoons of butter or 1/2 stick. So with clean hands, you're going to take your bread and you're going to lay it in this pie pan for about 3 seconds on each side. Then you're going to let 2 slices cook at a time for however long it takes each side to get to golden brown. Time you cook 2 slices, you're going to want to add more butter because as you can see, our 4 tablespoons are already starting to cook into the French toast, so you're going to have to add extra so you can get the other pieces cooking just right. Get some maple syrup and enjoy!